In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a halftone pattern effect in Adobe Illustrator. This is a great technique to add a unique vintage-inspired texture to your designs, and it can really bring a new dimension to your graphics. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you can replicate it with ease. So, let's dive right in. To start with, you'll need to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Make sure you have your workspace set up to your liking, as a comfortable environment is key to creativity. Once Illustrator is open and your document is ready to go, we'll proceed with the next steps. Now, we'll navigate to the Effect menu. You'll find this at the top of the screen in the navigation bar. The Effect menu is a treasure trove of possibilities, housing a variety of options that allow you to apply different transformations to your graphics. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on one specific area: the Pixelate option. Go ahead and click on Pixelate in the drop-down menu. This selection is part of the magic that will transform your ordinary illustration into that classic halftone style. Pixelating elements in your design essentially breaks them down into dots, which is the basis of the halftone effect that we're aiming for. Next, you'll want to click on Color Halftone. This is where the transformation really begins to take shape. When you select Color Halftone, you'll notice that a dialog box appears. This is your control center for adjusting the halftone pattern. Here, you can specify how your image will be stylized into dots, which is central to achieving that retro aesthetic we're targeting. Inside this dialog, you can set the halftone color according to your preference. The great thing about this step is the level of customization it offers. You have the freedom to choose colors that match your design's theme or experiment with contrasting colors for a more striking look. Consider how different tones will interact with each other in your artwork and adjust accordingly. As you tweak the settings, keep an eye on your artwork to see how each change affects the overall look. This real-time feedback is invaluable for honing in on exactly the right combination that works for your design's needs. Remember, the end goal is to capture that true halftone effect, which is characterized by its dotted texture that varies in size and spacing to convey an illusion of shading or gradient. By following these steps, you've now successfully created a halftone pattern effect in Adobe Illustrator. Be sure to save your work, and feel free to continue experimenting with different settings to explore new creative avenues. This technique can be incredibly versatile, so don't hesitate to incorporate it into various projects for a truly dynamic textural effect.